Hello, my dear friends. This is Jennifer. Oh, there's a lot of glare. This is Jennifer, Happy Scrapper Mom of 4 here on YouTube, and Happy Scrapper Mom of 3 on Instagram. I am back with 25 cards out of this kit. So March 2021, Celebrate Spring is the name of the kit. I'm just trying to use up my, my kits. I have a ton by my standards, and, I have to start using them or I will be overrun by kits and crafty items that I won't be able to enter my craft room. So I love kits from Spellbinders because they give you a lot of stuff that work for me. For some, that don't like ephemera, or, they just like stamps, then this is not the kit for them. But for me, I love this kit because they give you a lot of stuff, such as these things. Ooh, there's a shadow. All right, let's go ahead and start. So again, I have 25 cards that I'm showing today, and this is from the foam stickers. So as you can see, it's dimensional. These are just from the ephemera pack. These hearts are from the eksuccess punch. This confetti hearts. And that's it for that card. And then I have a very simple one. I struggle with simple layouts. I have a friend from college who is also a crafter. She is Craft on Instagram, and she is the queen of simple layouts, and yet they are lovely when she makes them. These are from this cover plate die. So I just ran pink cardstock using this and got these small butterflies. But that's it. Oh, and you can see the sparkle right there on the vase. And I just used this, which is, what is this? The Spectrum Noir Sparkle Pen. And then this is the next one. This A2 size die is from the Waffle Flower die pack. And it's this one. They don't name, or they don't put their name, the name of the set of the dies on the packaging, but this is what it is. This one. And everything is just from the ephemera pack. This is, of course, from the paper pad, and this is the paper pad. There's not much left from it. So this is the one I used. That's this one. And these are from, Michael's a long time ago. And again, I'm just trying to use up my stash. And it has, if you can see, there's sparkles right there. It's this one, the Stardust Stickles, which is my favorite. All right. And then this is the next one, Best Days. And these hearts are from this die that I got from Ali. Oh, and this die is this one. I think I got this from Amazon. And what else can I show you? I just basically cut, this is just from the pattern papers. And the pattern papers are in this kit are not cardstock grade. They're like thicker than copy paper, I would say, but they're not as thick as cardstock. This is the cardstock that they give you. I would say it's probably 80 pound, because it's definitely not 65 pound weight. And these are just from the ephemera pack. And this one is another pattern paper from the kit. And then this is just from I think that's from my stack. Yeah, it is from my old stack of die cuts with a view matte stack. And it's this one from a while back. And this is just from the ephemera pack. This is from the foam stickers. and it's very, very glittery. And the gold here is this one, Stickles. Golden, what is that? Golden rod. All right. And this one is probably one of my favorites of all the things I made. And this is from the paper pack. Also this, which is the wood grain. The banner, I cut a 2-inch, I think it's a 2-inch. Nope, it's a 2-inch. And I used this Stampin' Up! Banner punch. And I just used, you know, stuff from the ephemera pack. This is also from the ephemera pack. This heart is from the punch that I showed you earlier. And then this is another card that I made. That's from the ephemera pack, from the pattern paper. This circle die is this one. And it's from Scrapping Cottage. And the gems are from the gems and I love these gems when they give you these. It's like instead of the sequins, I prefer these ones because they're just cute and faceted. All right, and then this is the next one. You know, just simple stuff. This is a from the foam stickers, and this is the foam stickers. Yeah, as you can see, I've used a lot of that from that. And again, that's from the gem pack, pattern paper, ephemera pack. This again is a foam sticker. And if you can see, there's that, I cut that edge using the Tim Holtz, it's a die set. It's this one. And I used this one. And it's a thinlet, and that's the number right there. Whoops. 661189. And then the next one is this one. Again, using pattern paper, gems, and ephemera. And then just using stickles again, which I love. Oh, that's a pink stickle right there. Let me see. It's this one. And it's called Cotton Candy, and it's the distress line. And again, gems from the kit. And then this one is the next one. That's an ephemera pack. This is a, no, it's not. It's an ephemera pack that I popped up with dimensionals from Dollar Tree. And that's this one. Forgive me. It unraveled. It's this one. And I get it from the automotive section of Dollar Tree. I don't know why they're there, but that's where I find them. And then these are just stuff from the die cuts from the ephemera pack. And this is vellum from a vellum pad that I got from Michael's a very long time ago, meaning about maybe 8-10 years ago. And that die, this die right there that I used for the vellum is that die from Ali. And that's it. That's from the ephemera pack. I mean the paper pad. And then this is the next one. Again, these are from the ephemera pack. I just cut a square, ran it using this embossing folder, but instead of using the embossed side, I used the debossed side, which is, as you can see there, it's debossed. It's not the protruding side of it. These are from the ephemera pack. I mean foam pack, foam stickers, and this is from the ephemera pack. And the die I love that die from the waffle flower one that I showed you earlier. And then this is a gold. They give you gold cardstock, but I use mine because mine is thinner. I'm saving the thicker cardstock, gold cardstock that they give you for something else. And these are just from the ephemera pack, foam stickers again from the foam sticker pack. And then this die, this is an ephemera also. This die is from, I believe it's MFT. Let me find it. Where is it? Uh-oh. I thought I laid out everything here in my desk. Oh, here it is. It is from MFT, and it's this one. MFT. And I don't know what it's called. They don't put the names of their dice either. Okay. Moving on. Here's another layout. Again, that's a foam sticker from the foam pack. Ephemera foam sticker. And then just layered cardstock and paper. This one it's probably one of my favorite layouts too. It's very simple. I got this idea from Cards and Coffee Time, Tina, and she's one of the YouTubers that does Spellbinders 10 cards 1 kit videos. So I always check her videos out whenever I'm making one, and she has a blog. So these are all from the ephemera pack. This is from the die cut, you know, that heart die that I showed you, this one. It's different sizes, so it's really cool to use. And then I just put stickles, I mean not stickles, but the this clear glitter pen on it. And then I just stuffed love from all of us. That's from my stash. I don't really recall the stamp set. And I used a green cardstock, as you can see, but it's lighter, but you can see the green hue here. I used cracked pistachio and used my makeup sponge for that, which I don't use on my face, of course. And then this is the next one, and it's so simple. It's the ephemera pack, and then ephemera again. It's this one. It comes like this, and so I just tucked it in under. And again, this is the die that I used for the circle one, gold circle. Pattern paper. I just put them together, and that's it. And of course I used stickles again. On this one, I think I got this idea also from Cards and Coffee Time, Tina. She's on YouTube, and she has a blog, and she's on Instagram, of course. So a bunch of ephemera again, including this. This is paper, which is this one. It's a 6x6, and I just put my die on where I want to cut it. So if I want that, that's where I'll put it, or maybe I'll put it here, you know. So that's what I did with this one. And then this is the next one. I think this is my top favorite of all of them. I will use this for someone having a birthday or like Mother's Day, because it's like try and relax. This is my message for all these. Eat, have breakfast, enjoy your day. And that's why it's a happy day. Oh, and these are just dies from Waffleflower again. That's this one. Oh, this one for that, and this one for this. And the cardstock is from Michael's, you know, those 8.5, 50 piece cardstock. So I got that from Michael's, and this is from the paper pack. Here's another layout, very simple. I just put together things. And again, this die is from the Waffleflower set, and it's this one. Here's the next one. Best Days. This is from that punch again. This is just from the ephemera pack. And it's just basically, you know, when I have my mojo, it just flows so freely. When I don't, oh my God, it's like drought in my head. I can't put things together. Oh, and these are gems from my stash. And I've packed them onto these. So they're different sizes. They're just more interesting to me when they're different sizes. So these are from the ephemera pack, including these hearts. And these are just papers from the kit. These are some more foam stickers, ephemera. And then this is, again, another vellum that I cut with a waffle flower. die, and this is the Tim Holtz die that I used on this pattern paper with the banners, and then I just cut matte for that whole thing. And then this is another layout. I think I got this from Cards and Coffee Time as well. This is from this die cut pack, and it's this one. Again, it's from Ali. And of course the gems, and then ephemera. And this is also ephemera. I just popped it up using foam stickers. We're almost there. 3 more. This is the last one that I made. This is a die from the die pack, and it's this one. Okay, and again, it's one of the banners or flags that is part of the ephemera pack. This again is from that punch, and these tickets are from the ephemera pack, and so are these. And I used that die again. Okay, and then here's another one. That's another die cut. This I hand cut and then ran it through using that MFT die that I showed you earlier. This die. So I ran it, and so therefore making it that way. Okay, I think it's cute, and everything else is ephemera. That's a die cut from that die. Last one is this one, and for those that know me, purple is my favorite color. All kinds of purple hues, whether it be the lightest from the lilac to purple, dark violet. I love those. And again, ephemera, gems, stickles, that's an ephemera as well. I used that die again from MFT. This is a die from Spellbinders, and it's this one. S5026, and if you notice and look closer, it's upside down, but it's handmade, not Hallmark, right? All right, so that's it. Special shout out to my friends, to Crafty Mama Diaries, who inspires me with the 10 cards, 1 kit. She loves making those, and so you know, she inspires me a lot. I'll just put something here for you to look at. And also, of course, check out Cards and Coffee Time, Vicky Papiano. These people that I'm mentioning are the people that do 10 cards, 1 kit on YouTube. Butterfly Blessing Studio, Lisa Mears, Jackie's Craft Table, include a thank you and then some, Tiaza's Treasures, Crazy Paper Chick, and then Georgia Papercrafts, although I think Georgia Papercrafts stopped making videos. I checked her channel, and her last upload was, I think, 3 months ago, so I hope she's doing okay. Also, a special shout out to my other 2 crafty friends, My Saturday Creations and Sintang Mayumi. All right, that's it for me. See you in the next video. Bye.